Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Friends, welcome back to my channel. Delta Electronics 24 volt power supply. I will apply power using series lamp and we will check the lamp condition. I connected power. 238 volts, but no output voltage, no indication on the lamp, no output, no standby voltage. Let's open it and we will see what is wrong here. If you don't have good experience in electronics, never try to repair because we are dealing with live voltage. Let's start. No burning sign, no smoke sign. In the first step, check DC voltage here on this capacitor. It's for safety. For DC voltage check कर ले, no voltage. Check fuse. Fuse open circuit. For test purpose, I will make jumper to the fuse by using this 1 ampere bus fuse wire. Check input resistance. 297 ohms. If we see, its MOV is cracked. Here, its varistor is cracked. Yes, this component is short circuited. Now check input resistance. It's in 700 kilo ohms. That's good sign. Yes, PFC circuit started working. Voltage maintained at 392. Output is turned on. Now we have output 24 volts. That's good. So problem, just MOV and fuse. Now I will arrange fuse and this MOV. You can see this MOV is damaged. If you enjoyed this video, give a thumb up. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.